Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about Lifeback Law Firm's continual fight against Google Map fraud and geographic origin fraud. Some people call this fight frivolous. Some people call it frivolous or which is interesting because I wonder if the people who are duped find this fraud to be frivolous. I don't think they do, and I don't think it's frivolous at all. In fact, I think we have a duty as lawyers to combat fraud. I mean, aren't we people who are in search of the truth? Isn't that what we're called upon to do? And yet, it's interesting that that some people call this frivolous. I assure you, it's not frivolous. I don't find it funny at all, and the people that are doing this, they will stop. They just, they've got to be defiant, and they've got to be, catch me if you can, right? I mean, I'm not going to stop until I'm forced to stop, which is incredible, right? Like, I'm not going to stop tricking people into thinking I'm at certain locations when I'm not, because it's good for my bottom, it's good for my wallet. It puts money in my wallet. Now, it doesn't put money in my wallet because we're not doing it. But the Lifeback Law Firm's quest to end non bona fide offices from being advertised in Minnesota will be front and center in 2025. It simply needs to come to a stop. We have some of these law offices that I see, numerous locations, and none of them are bona fide offices. And what do I mean by that? And you say, well, why would a law office put up an office that's not a bona fide office? Why would they do that? And that's a good question. They do it to generate leads, to make the public think they are local when they are not. And then when you call, you don't get a local appointment with the attorney, which is what you wanted, and a local attorney, which is what you wanted. What you get is oftentimes some far different, which is hundreds and hundreds of miles away. You're calling a lawyer that's hundreds and hundreds of miles away, and they're going to convert you, oftentimes, into a phone consult or a Zoom call. In other words, it's a classic bait and switch. We're pretending to be local, so that you think we're local, so that you'll call us, but we're not local. And when you call us, we're oftentimes not going to tell you where we're actually at, but we'll try to convert you into a virtual appointment. That's the game that gets played. It's slimy, and it's crooked, and it needs to end. When the time is right, reach out to a law firm that's offices are bona fide law offices that we use and we meet with people in all the time right here at Lifeback Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.